2003 Honda Odyssey minivan, can't get the hood open. Show you what the mechanism looks like. I had a hard time resolving this issue. Thought about taking it to the dealer and letting them fix it, but I'll show you what the latch looks like. Little door latch system, kind of like on a door. It has a lever and it pops out the little latch to that angle, and what happened is it wouldn't open up all the way. All it needed was a little grease on that latch and then it would allow it to open up. And what I did is I took a coat hanger like this and bent it on the end. Bent it on the end like this. Ran it in from the side with the hood closed and latched it over like this. And then I could, from the side, I could pull it open, and it allowed me to go ahead and open up the hood. So took me a little while to figure it out. I hope this publishes all right and it helps somebody. From the old shade tree, South Alabama.